Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this lesson I am going to explain what is 3 inside up candlestick pattern, how we can spot this candlestick pattern and how this pattern will help us in trend reversal. Remember it's 3 candlestick pattern and strong bullish trend reversal pattern, very important and very strong trend reversal pattern. Okay, alright, so let's start. Friends, 3 inside up candlestick pattern looks like this, okay, as we are already in series of 3 candlestick pattern, so we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downward trend. Now we will see its conditions. First of all, it is 3 candlestick pattern, okay, formed by 3 candles. Then we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downward trend. So first candle will be bearish one, like that black candle, okay, within the downward trend. First candle is bearish within the downward trend. Now second candle will be bullish and it should close above minimum midpoint of first bearish candle. In the morning star candlestick pattern, we have studied that second candle should be close, second candle will be indecision and third candle should close above the midpoint of first bearish candle. But in the here 3 inside up candlestick pattern, second candle should be closing above minimum midpoint of the first bearish candle. Second candle is bullish and closes above midpoint of first candle. Now third candle is very important, which is confirming this candlestick pattern. It should be bullish candle and it should close above the highest point of first bearish candle. Third candle is bullish, it should close entire body of first candle, this one, and even above from its high. So it's very simple, very easy to understand this candlestick pattern. First candle is bearish, second candle is bullish, it should close above the midpoint of first, it should close above midpoint of first bearish candle. Third candle is bullish, it should completely cover the entire body of first bearish candle and it should close above the high point, okay. And we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downward trend, so these are the important conditions which are necessary for the 3 inside up candlestick pattern, which is a strong bullish trend reversal pattern. First of all, formed by 3 candle after the downward trend. First candle should be bearish one, second candle should close above the midpoint of first bearish candle and third candle should completely cover the first body, first candle, and it should close above, okay. Now we will see its interpretation, what basically it means. It means as we have already a sell trend, a downward trend, from here bulls are coming back. This candle was closed above this first one, above its midpoint. So it means bulls are getting back in the game. And this bullish candle is strong confirmation of 3 inside up candlestick pattern. So it means bulls are completely back in the game. Now bulls are dominating and sellers are trying to exit from the market and they are going out from the market. Sellers are taking out their profits and they are going out from the market. Okay, so its interpretation is very simple. Bulls are back in the game. Bulls are back in the game with new optimism, new passion, and prices will go up right from here. And it is very important and very effective candlestick pattern. It is powerful bullish trend reversal pattern. We will wait for confirmation like RSI, moving averages, Fibonacci or anything else, then it will be very fine. And this lowest point will be our stop loss. I will explain also on the charts, and we will trade with minimum 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so once again I will repeat its condition formed by 3 candles. First candle should be bearish within the downward trend. Second candle should be bullish. After the it should close above midpoint, and third candle is big bullish and it should completely cover first entire body and it should close above high point. Okay, so this is confirmation of 3 inside up candlestick pattern. Okay, all right. Now we will see this candlestick pattern on the chart. GBP USD M15. You can see market was in a downward trend. So right now here, first candle is bearish, second candle has closed above the midpoint, and third candle you can see is completely going up and it has covered the entire body of the first bearish candle. So this third candle is confirmation of our 3 inside up. So after the closing of this candle, we will wait some retracement. We will take entry from here. This lowest point will be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit with 1:1 or 1/2 ratio. Okay, 1:2 ratio will be very fine. Earlier sellers were completely in control. Bulls came back and market went up. Okay, GBP JPY H1 chart. You can see perfect example of 3 inside up candlestick pattern. First, market was in a downward trend. First candle is bearish candle. Second candle has closed above the midpoint of first candle, and third candle is covering entire body of first bearish candle. Okay, and it has closed above. So here we will wait for some retracement, and after that you can see from this pattern market went up. Minimum 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So it's very important candlestick pattern, very effective candlestick pattern. Earlier sellers were in control, but after that trend was changed and bulls were in the control. Once again I will repeat its condition. We will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downward trend. First candle should be closed above midpoint of this bearish candle, and second candle should close above entire body of this candle. Okay, and then market will go up. This lowest point would be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit with 1:2 ratio minimum. So here we have another example of 3 inside up GBP JPY H1 time frame. You can see market was falling. Perfect example of this pattern. Downward trend. First candle is bearish within the downtrend. Now second candle has closed above the first bearish candle, and you can see third candle has closed above the entire body of the first bearish candle. So right now from this level market went to the upside. Market trend was changed. This is very important candlestick pattern. First candle is bearish, second candle should close above, and third candle above entire body. So sellers were in completely control. Bulls are back in the game. They have pushed the market now to the upside. So this was a clear explanation of 3 inside up, how to trade this candlestick pattern. Very effective and very important candlestick pattern. I am sure that now you have clear concept of it. Okay, thank you.